Okay guys, so I am back with another smoothie recipe. I already have some few strawberries in there, but I am going to add this mixture of banana, mangoes, and strawberries and pineapple. So I add some, and since I already have a banana here that I want to add on there. Okay, like I was saying, I added an extra banana in there because I wanted to use that. So next I'm going to use, I have already added off camera. I have already added just a spoon of flaxseed. I'm going to add this, which is collagen. I like the taste. You can get that from the Whole Food store. I'll just add a scoop of that. It's good for hair, skin, and nails. Next, I'm going to add my protein, which I also got from the Whole Food store. I'll just add a scoop of that. Next up, I will be adding some cashews. I really like the cashews taste in my smoothie. Then, I used to get the cashew butter from Whole Foods, but sometimes they don't have it. I just got the whole cashews and add that. And this is, I got the almond butter. I add a little bit, not even a whole spoon, just a little bit. So next thing I'm going to add is my sea moss gel. I did get this from Sabi's daughter. This is really good. It's minerals that you need or your body needs. I've been using this for a while. Sometimes I do use the gel in my smoothie, and if I don't make a smoothie for the day, I do take the capsule. So I'm gonna show you. For a smoothie that size, this is what I add. All right, and for added sweetener, again, I'll be using my agave nectar, which you can buy from Whole Foods as well. It's just for added sweetener. I will not put much because I don't want it too sweet. And in liquid, I will have my coconut milk. Then you can, everything is from Whole Foods as far as, except for the sea moss. Everything is from Whole Foods. Last thing I'm going to add is some ice. So if you try this, you don't like it, yeah, I don't know. It's really good, really, really good. Try it. Again, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up, comment, and subscribe to this channel. I will have more videos, not just for smoothies, but everything that I think is worth sharing. Next video, I believe, will be a hair tutorial video, so stay tuned for that. And everything that I think you may need to know, or I may want to share with you, I will be posting that on this channel. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you guys next time.